Oblivious Gaming Noob.
I built the Interdimensional Infinite Quantum Temporal Gateway, or IDIQT, to send my consciousness into a spontaneously generated avatar anywhere and anytime in the multiverse. But something went wrong, and my return route was lost. Now I'm stranded, and my only hope is to build a new IDIQT gateway and hope to find my way home. Welcome back. In our last couple of episodes, we were just exploring, and I have taken some time to try to figure out what past future myself was doing, and it looks like I'm trying to start building some components for the next phase of the elevator. So this thing is a manufacturer, and I think what I was trying to make was the adaptive control units. And right now, I'm manufacturing all of the parts except for these, the heavy modular frames. So right now, we got to get working on building that. It looks like we've got pipes already here, ready to be plugged in. And I thought I saw reinforced beams somewhere around here. We'll set up some things so that we don't have to jump over the conveyor belts. This will let us keep them up high. Okay, yeah, there they are. Reinforced beams. Okay, and I've got all this storage over here. Look at all these frames. What are they being used for? Just one thing. So I bet we can split this conveyor belt with a splitter. Now I've got to get the belt all the way up and over there. Let's go straight up. I don't think it needs to be very fast, so I'm going to go with the Mark 1. The slowest one. And now we just need to connect that straight across the sky. Okay, I've pulled it across most of the way, and this should just finish it up here onto the platform where we are. Okay. Can just follow the same path as the reinforced beams. The last thing I need is screws, but I went and checked my screw production, and I'm just barely making enough for the things that we currently have, so I can't share them. But I have this iron node here that is being unused, so let's set up another iron factory that is just making screws. Okay, this whole node is dedicated to making screws now. Let's just pipe them both into this storage, and from here we can then take it over to our new factory, or our new manufacturer. So we'll go ahead and get that done. Okay, I've almost got it wired up here. This place is really becoming a spaghetti monster. Alright, I think I need to put it... Will it reach that far? Let's see. Yes. Okay, good. All right, and this should be the last thing we need. And now we have everything going into it. So we just need to add power and get the output set up. We only use these for building the space elevator, so I'm just going to output them into a storage here. We'll just manually bring them over. And, okay, let's go see what else we can work on. I'm heading over to the oil production and oil power area. If you remember when we came through here, it looked like there were some power stations that just were not receiving enough oil, so we weren't getting as much energy as we should be. So we're going to check this whole system. Yeah, look at these. They're all off. Why? They don't have enough oil. Okay, or enough fuel. So let's see if we can get this straightened out. Let's see. Are all of these the same? Yes, they are. So why are we not getting enough fuel? What is this refinery making right here? Oh, it's making fuel and resin. This is the oil pump. It's got enough oil. So what's keeping it from making stuff? Okay, let's follow this resin. It doesn't seem to be doing much. Oh, it's full. Oh, because I'm not using the resin. So we've got all this resin coming in, and since the output is full, we can't make any more fuel. These things aren't going on, so we've got to do something with all of this resin. Let's see what recipes are available in the refinery. Okay, this plastic can take resin and water. All right, I guess we need to set up a plastic factory too, which means we need to get some water. Okay, I found some water that looks like there's some deep enough areas. It's a little distance away, but I think we'll be okay. This will... Hello, yellow slug. This water pump should let us get water over to our factory. Actually, I don't know where should we put this refinery? You know what? I think we're good here close to the water, so let's just build a platform here. And we'll have to clear off some of these trees. And we'll be able to build a refinery and stuff here. We'll just bring the resin over this way. And I'm not sure how many refineries I can support with the resin that I have, but let's assume that it's going to be more than one. So we're going to make the pipes of the water come right along this edge. Then we can just branch off. Train. Oh, that sound. It's weird. Sorry about that. These things are really tall, so it bumps into the tracks. So I'll offset it a little bit so that it doesn't crash into the trains. Okay, we just need to put a cross section here. Junction. Alright, now we're getting water. It looks like we can probably fit at least one more here. But for now, let's just get this one hooked up. And I've brought the resin from way over there. Let's keep it high because, again, we want to be able to walk. Okay, let's do that little complex S. And I will go ahead and put a second one here. It looks like we might even be able to fit a third one if we need to. We'll just do it with these two, though. And wait, copy this one. Connect the water here. Okay, now let's bring this resin over. Okay, we're going to lift it up, like always, so that it's not in the way, so we can walk under it. Also, keeps things a little bit more organized. Not that organization is one of my strong suits, but... Oh, I think I need to split this. It's nice that I can put a splitter on an existing belt. Now, one of these needs to go to the close one. Oh, dang, I can't fit that. Let's just connect it over there. Make this one go to the far one. This one go to this one. Alright. Okay. And these are both set up to make plastic now. And so now we can just ship this plastic with the other plastic that we're shipping up on the train. And hopefully we never run into the issue where we run out of space for storage, because we'll just use all of that plastic. And that should make these always have power. They're already running. Now we'll just run power to all of these 3 new things that we've built, and we'll be good to go. Alright, let's see what else there is to work on. Okay, I made sure everything was working. Everything is getting fuel that needs fuel. We got a lot of energy going, and this thing is now collecting more plastic than ever, which is great. So we'll just take the train back up to the elevator and see what else is waiting for us. It's time to start making the adaptive control units. I think I misspoke earlier when we made the heavy reinforced frames that those were for the space elevator, but they're not. Those are actually a component for this, the adaptive control units, which are for the space elevator. So now that we've got some heavy frames being built, we can start bringing all of the things that we need into this manufacturer. Okay, I am making everything now for this. Okay, I've been winding conveyor belts all throughout, and now I've kind of got them all along this one line. So it's really easy at this point to just plug them into their respective inputs. We've got these advanced wiring cables that were used for a previous phase of the elevator, and what else? Some computers and electronics. So now we got this going. We just need some power. Oh yeah, circuit boards, not electronics. This one is going now. They're super slow. We'll save it into, we'll output it into a storage box and start collecting these. All right, I know it's been just a second for you, but it's been many, many hours for me. And I have now collected everything that I need to for phase 3 of the elevator. So we'll load that all up and launch. How do I do this? Okay. It is going to talk to us.
Welcome to the Project Assembly Pioneer Progress presentation. Congratulations, the Phase 3 project part shipment is finally ready for delivery.
I'm not going to make you watch this.
On delivery, Pioneer stays late.
All you missed was her berating me, saying I'm not a good enough employee. All right. So we just launched it, and let's see what happens. Oh, that's cool. Launches it up into the platform up there. And there's new stuff being made.
Phase 3 of Project Assembly completed. Fixit's predictions indicate pioneers should generally reach this point faster with above-average results.
See what
but we
I
should
said?
all adjust our
just berates me.
expectations according to the situation.
But it looks so cool up there.
The pressure and complexity
all right.
will only increase from
We're in
here,
phase 4
be
now,
sure
so
to
that
take
means
on
that we
phase
should have
4
some
with
new things that we can start building. So let's go take a look and see what we can do. We've unlocked tier 7 and 8, so we've got aluminum. We can start doing stuff with aluminum. Okay, that's cool. Don't think I've even seen that ore yet. Hover pack, cool. That looks interesting. Upgraded logistics. And hazmat suit, nice. Oh wait, iodine. Oh, I wonder if this will let me get close to the radiation, the radioactive ores. Sulfuric acid. Oh, this is like advanced electronics. All right, let's see what's in tier 8. Ooh, nuclear power. Yes, I need this. This is definitely going to have enough power for us to build our IDIQT and get out of here. What else? Drones? You know what? I really think that I need to start working towards the nuclear energy, so we'll start with the bauxite refinement, aluminum, because we need these things in order to build nuclear stuff. So let's get working on that. But we're going to have to do that in the next episode. For today, this is all that we've got time for. I will catch you later.
Oblivious Gaming Noob.